best RTX 3090 Ti GPU is a solid bet in terms of gaming performance and 3D rendering. As there are plenty of aftermarket variants for this card, how will you choose the one that fits you the best? To help you with that, in today's video, we are going to showcase the top 5 best RTX 3090 Ti GPUs.
Welcome to Techfluencer, where we test and review countless tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our tech expert team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends and advancements. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description.
Starting at number 5, we have the RTX 3090 Ti Founders Edition from NVIDIA, which is an extremely powerful NVIDIA GPU with excellent performance for gaming as well as GPU-intensive tasks. With 1008 GBs memory bandwidth and 1.86 GHz boot clock, it also has 8K gaming capability at a decent frame rate while having headroom for 3D rendering tasks as well. The 24 GB of GDDR6X memory is plentiful for keeping your rig future-proof for years to come. This NVIDIA Ampere graphics card requires about 450 watts of power, and they recommend having at least an 850 watt PSU for this card. As for the cooler, the Founders Edition card has one of the best designs in terms of cooling efficiency and visual aesthetic. GeForce RTX 3090 Ti is 12.3 inches long, which makes it a massive GPU that takes up 3 slots. The metal grey color scheme looks quite sleek and will appeal to your aesthetic craving. Without a doubt, the RTX 3090 Ti is huge in both performance and size that will exceed gaming enthusiasts and 3D rendering professionals' expectations. Next up at number 4, we have the FTW3 Black Gaming from EVGA, a sleek RGB aftermarket variant of the RTX 3090 Ti with superior clock speed and premium design. This GPU maintains the same level of performance as the reference model with a base clock speed of 1860 MHz, letting you play modern AAA title games at a much higher frame rate. Just like most high-end models, this one also has a triple fan design with an ICX3 cooling solution to effectively maintain the thermal level during intensive gaming or rendering. For ports, you get 3 DisplayPort 1.4 and 1 HDMI 2.0 that will come in handy while pairing it up with high refresh rate displays. The adjustable ARGB LEDs also look quite impressive, and you can customize them via EVGA's Precision X1 software for syncing RGB outlook. Simply put, the EVGA FTW3 Ultra Gaming is a smart choice for gamers and rendering professionals in general. And number 3, we have the AORUS XTREME WATERFORCE from Gigabyte, which is designed for solid performance at a minimal noise level. This GPU is liquid cooled, where you get a 360mm aluminum radiator equipped with 3 120mm fans. They are pre-assembled, so installing it won't be that much of an issue. The fans are mounted with double ball bearings which keep the noise down to a minimum. Consequently, you get to enjoy tranquil gaming and a productive atmosphere. Its large copper base plate also works like a charm for effective heat dissipation, while the 460mm braided tubes ensure liquid does not leak. If you're aiming for solid performance with minimal noise from your RTX 3090 Ti GPU, then we highly recommend the AORUS XTREME WATERFORCE for you. Coming up at number 2, we have the MSI Gaming X Trio, a behemoth of a card with improved performance and design. What's different about the MSI variant from the Founders Edition is the boosted clock frequency. MSI has brought up the numbers from 1860 MHz to 1920 MHz, which ensures greater benchmark scores as well as performance. With RTX 3090 Ti's 10752 CUDA and 84 ray tracing cores, this thing is a beast that can take on rendering and intensive gaming demands masterfully. To keep things below temperature, it has MSI's Torx Fan 4.0 and precise core pipes that ensure greater thermal stability. MSI's black and gray theme looks quite sleek in this card, as it will fit well with most gaming setups. On top of that, the subtle touch of RGB has a gamey vibe to it that can also be customized if you prefer. Overall, the MSI Gaming X Trio is an excellent card with improved cooling, remarkable design, and a higher clock speed that you will find amazing. And finally, at number 1, we have the ROG STRIX LC by ASUS, a closed-loop liquid cooling RTX 3090 Ti GPU that's quite compact and delivers intense cooling performance. This card looks and feels quite impressive, as it has a big shroud with the well-known STRIX pattern that covers most of the front, and the rest of it is designed with sleek RGB lighting. The back is covered with a polished metal backplate. Altogether, The card speaks for vertical mounting due to its amazing frontal design. It comes with a 240mm radiator for closed-loop water cooling, which might require effective cable management as the cables are quite thick and messy. Surprisingly, the GPU is quite smaller in contrast with the reference card, as it's only 293mm in length and has an improved boost clock rate of 1980 MHz. Overall, the Asus ROG STRIX LC is a compact yet stylish card with water cooling support that might suit you the best if you're not planning on additional cooling solutions. So, that was all about the top 5 best RTX 3090 Ti GPU. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.